Welcome back to my messy garage. So what I did is I picked up these. These are brake and shift pegs, and we'll do an unboxing and then we'll put them on the bike. Okay, so here's the box. They come in, I've already kind of pre-opened it because, well, I'm like a kid on Christmas and I can't help it. They come with 2 bolts, and these are going to be, I believe, 6mm. So we'll be using a socket to put those on, and then here's what these look like. Hopefully you can take a good look at them. So there's 2 of them. They are identical, and they are going to replace the stock ones here. That there's really nothing wrong with them. There's no need to really replace them, but these are going to look pretty cool. So that's what we're going to do. All right, first thing I want to do is get the rubber off of here. There's supposed to be a flat part that you can get a wrench on underneath this rubber. So need to try to coax it off a little bit. Alright, so I see the flat spot right here. And there it goes. That was more difficult than it needed to be. Alright, now that one's out. Okay, so you drop the screw in there, or the bolt, and then you just screw it in. Suppose you could put some Loctite on it too, which the threads are pretty long. I may put Loctite if it loosens up. What I'm going to do is make sure I have the lettering like I want it to on the outside. You'll see what I mean here. So it says, I don't know if you can see it or not. So, all right, that's it. And what I'm going to do, I'll do the other one off camera. You don't need to see that one. But again, move the rubber back, and then there's a flat spot on the post right there. And I got it off with a 10mm. Wasn't exactly the perfect fit, but it did spin it off. So, all right, short video. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep working on the Indian and also the BMWs.